trillions of calculations per second, massive physical architectures built to process invisible data. We view this reality as a human-driven march of progress. In 4000 BCE, there were no screens. Society relied on natural spoken sound and human memory, living in coordination with the physical environment. This diagram illustrates the relationship. A tree rooted in the earth is mirrored by downward-pointing server racks. Our foundation moved from an alignment with the earth to a reliance on space and the digital cloud. Spoken sound gave way to binary code. The cosmic astrolabe suggests this transition happened alongside shifts in the proximity of the sun, the moon, and a planetary node known as Rahu. To understand our technology, we must look at how these cosmic gears influenced human behavior. Around 3200 BCE, the sun moved closer to Earth. This proximity triggered the temperature spike known as the 4.2 kiloyear event. The third panel shows the physical consequence. Global droughts dried out ancient water-abundant settlements, leading to widespread desertification. This heat forced migrations. People abandoned scattered tribal lands and clustered around river valleys. You can see the result in the dense settlements of this stone excavation site. Sharing limited water required new organization. To track crop yields and land boundaries, humanity developed pictographic writing and early geometry. The birth of agriculture and mathematics were survival responses to a solar-driven climate crisis. By 500 BCE, the celestial gears shifted again. As the sun retreated and the moon approached Earth, global temperatures dropped, triggering the late antique Little Ice Age. Irregular rainfall and cold disrupted crop cycles. Without stable food supplies, major historical empires collapsed. With the land frozen, humanity looked to the sea. This infographic of the Dwapara Yuga shows sailing ships and navigational tools. We adapted by mastering naval navigation and charting the stars. Communication also changed. Paper replaced stone and bark, allowing libraries and universities to safeguard information. Mastery of the seas was a direct adaptation to the moon freezing our primary food sources. In 1643, the modern transition began. The moon retreated as Rahu, the energy of space and machines, took over. The launchpad chart tracks our technological ascent. Starting in the 18th century, steam engines and electricity began to replace human and animal muscle. Moving up the curve, flight reduced earthly distances. By the late 20th century, the World Wide Web moved knowledge into invisible signals. We offloaded our physical labor to machines. This typewriter shows the mechanization of human writing, replacing the hand with engineered output. The industrial and digital revolutions systematically outsourced human muscle and brain power. We replaced our reliance on the 5 elements with a reliance on machines.
In the present day, Rahu has established dominance. This has triggered intense global warming, as seen in the melting of these ancient glaciers. As seasonal cycles destabilize, humanity is retreating into engineered, artificially controlled environments like these biosphere domes. This is the state of the Kaliyuga. We have moved away from the Earth's surface, binding our future to artificial intelligence and machine energy. The Great Inversion diagram shows the result, a total reversal of our starting point. Our digital landscape is an environmental adaptation forced upon us by our current cosmic era. Progress is a celestial tide we are merely riding.